Annoying Peanut with a camera again. Alright guys, let's put you where I think you can see me. Sun's just popped its head out. Alright, we got a Mustang USA. This is from Frost Cutlery, and it's a little locking Copperhead. I love these knives. There's the numbers for this one. MB104 MB. Let's take a look. Ta-da! This one's in different paper. I haven't seen this paper before. This is looks like it's got the Mustang on there. I can't really read it because it's bright yellow and I'm in the bright sunshine. Alright, we've got a new badge there. What's on there? The Mustang USA badge. Great little knives these. Sorry. But if you haven't got one of these, you really ought to try them. This one is a wonderful example. Look at that jigged bone there, the colour in the bone, the oranges, the burnt look to it. It's got purple, it's got brown in it. The colours in it are amazing. Nice brass pins, brass liners. Look at those bolsters. Both sides. Awesome. There's the copper lock bolster this side. And the main blade. There's a locking blade. And that locks up. I've never had one of these. I've got a bunch of them now. I've never had a bad locking one. I have had the odd one with questionable fit and finish. But touch wood, most of them have been pretty darn good, and this one looks wonderful. There's no gapping there that I can see. Double springs and the brass liners there. We got the trademark stamp here. We got 440 stainless this side. I think it's 440A using these. Nice little nail nick. Beautiful little clip point blade. Super sharp, this one. Alright, now Peanuts just let me know there's somebody over about 100 yards away, miles away. But yeah, to unlock these, push down on the small blade and it'll unlock. Watch the spring return. And watch the small blade pop up when it closes. See that? Let's take a look at the small blade, little Warncliffe. Again, super sharp. Same stamps on there. The logo, 440 stainless. And the Rockwell sticker, 56 to 58 Rockwell hardness. Nice little pointy Warncliffe there. Useful blade. This one has a half stop, a nice half stop. Good spring return. Look at that. The main blade doesn't have a half stop, just rolls right open and locks into position really nicely. Beautiful little knives. I carry them as a 5th pocket carry, and they'd make a regular ordinary carry as well for most people. But what else am I carrying today? I'm carrying a Civivi button lock. This one's in green and black. I like these. Nice blades. So there's a size comparison. If you happen to have the Elementum button, there's a size comparison there for you. And let's close them up. There you go, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great weekend. Catch you later, guys.